everyone, welcome back. If you are not receiving a BMO verification code, follow these steps. First, wait at least 1 minute and check both your text messages and email inbox. Go to the SMS to check for messages and then go to Gmail. If you do not see the Gmail in the primary folder, try checking your trash or your spam folder. Sometimes they glitch and end up over there. Then make sure your phone number and email are entered correctly in your BMO account settings. Then turn off any call blocking or messaging filters apps on your phones. Turn off. You can also request a new verification code after a short wait. If code does not arrive, contact BMO support to confirm that your contact details are correct. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.